Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting video and tutorial on how to solve the 2x2 mirror blocks. This is the SHENGSHOU brand mirror blocks 2x2. It's a very good one. Moves very smoothly. Today we're going to learn how to solve this puzzle. Let's get started. Alright, first we're going to do a little mix up here. I'm going to solve the bottom layer. First and foremost, the bottom. So I think we're pretty good on the mix up. First one we want to do, let's see here, is probably bring this piece around. So we have two matching like that. Okay. Next one, let's see here, I think it's this big one here. I think it should go right there. And then we find a longer skinny piece. I think it should be this, one of these two. Try it out. Okay, so we have the bottom solved. You just got to work the pieces around to try to match it. It's not real hard to match the bottom. Next, we're going to finish the top layer. If you got one piece here, you want to try to find one piece that's flat. Actually, we got two. That's not. Usually, there's only one. The other two are straight up. So, good idea is, like, you know, do the 3x3 method to make these two pieces flat like this. So what we do is right invert, down, right, down invert, right invert, down, right, and make sure you do the make sure you do the down invert. And we do the next one, right invert, down, right, down invert, right invert, down, right, down invert. Should be one more time, right invert, down, right, down invert, right invert, down, right. Okay, so we have all four flat. That's what we want. Try to find something that, let's see here. So we happen to have two that match on top. These two pieces have to switch. Here, this goes to here, this goes to there. So what we could do is a T-perm, and that's this move. We'll take our time doing it. Right, up, right invert, up invert, right invert, front, R2, up invert, right invert, up invert, right, up, right invert, and then front invert. And we solve the puzzle. So it's not too hard. You just got to take your time, and for the last layer you got to do 3x3 method on some of them. You know, you could use the T-perm to switch the pieces no matter what side it's on. Sometimes you'll have two pieces that need to switch here instead. And a move you could do is like the T-perm, what I just did. And what will happen is it will line up the pieces. It'll line up the pieces, so then you could switch these two, and then you could solve your puzzle. So yeah, fun puzzle, pretty easy. Once you get used to it, it takes a little while to understand how this works, but once you do, it's a really fun puzzle. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and have a great day.